The world is breaking, broken, and on its way to self-destruction, and with man as the destroyer. Systems are failing from politics, economy, and social living. The religious entity in seeking to create peace and unity came up with the ecumenical movements in 1910. But this has created another problem of compromise in the doctrines of different religious groupings. It's important to embrace diversity, where we accept people for what they believe and cherish, as important arguing with respect of others' beliefs. We need to encourage and be friendly with other Christians and faiths, guarding against loss of focus for what we believe, for the devil, I would prefer calling him Lucifer, is one of high integrity and good at communication and counterfeiting. Sooner or later, we will learn of who really Lucifer was before his fall, such that we can learn not to underestimate him or think that we can just say, "Fire to him, stump on him," and he flees. Our associations have proved efficient at influencing faith in God. Therefore, even when all Christianity desires to be one, the difference in our truths, as described by the Bible, shouldn't be underlooked. There is powerful evidence that the end is near, and that the Lord is coming back quickly, as pointed out by Scripture. Forgetting that the Lord will surely come is an indication of our forgetfulness of our origin and history. I urge us all to eagerly await in preparation for this second coming of Christ.